In this video, we're going to take a look at our top 3 picks for camping stoves of 2021. InstantAcres.com. Coming in at our number 3 pick is the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp. What is really cool about this one is its design. Not only does it come with everything you need, but it folds up neatly into a compact design, comes with a traveling case. Really cool, really durable. The 2-burner setup is about 10,000 BTUs, so not quite as hot as what some other camping stoves might give you, but it's a really unique feature, will last you a really long time. The big downside of this one is that it comes in at about $375, so it's a bit pricey. Next up is the Everest 2 by Camp Chef. This is more of a traditional design for a camp stove. It's stainless steel, matchless ignition, has the 3-sided wind barrier. A little bulkier than our previous design, but still gets the job done pretty well. What's better about this one is it has 20,000 BTUs per burner, so it's burning a lot hotter than our previous pick. And the other great thing is its price point, coming in at about $165. Coming in at number 1 is the Triton Plus by Coleman. Just like our previous pick, it kind of has that briefcase design. This has that tri-panel wind blocker, a little bit bigger than the previous one, but a little bit hotter on the burners at 22,000 BTUs. It also has the matchless ignition, has a 3-year limited warranty, easy cleaning. The only downside I can see is the metal can be a little bit flimsy, but that's how they get that weight down. Makes it easy to carry with you on those long trips. But the huge plus is this is at its best price point at about $95. So if you're wanting to camp on a budget, this is the perfect pick for you. Thanks for watching. Check out the website at InstantAcres.com, where we sell owner-financed land in the beautiful Ozarks of southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.